Hi, I'm going to get going with an ARM CMSIS solution. In the overview video of the series, I created an ARM CMSIS profile, but currently this is blank. There's nothing installed yet. So here what I'm going to do is get going with an ARM CMSIS solution, install the required extensions, and for this particular board, PIC32CM PL10. So an ARM CMSIS solution is a graphical user interface for projects that use the CMSIS Toolbox. It can be installed individually or as part of the Arm Keil Studio Pack, which is here. Here we can see that there is a CMSIS Debugger, which contains a number of different extensions, including a serial monitor, and that we have clangd for code completion, navigation, and insights. We also have an environment manager, and I'm just going to point out a couple of things here. So one of the commands associated is adding tools configuration to the workspace. We're going to be asked this as we install, and when there's no vcpkg-config, select the required tools. So vcpkg-config is important here. The environment will be activated and it will add the tools to the path in the workspace. Okay, so we're going to go to the Studio Pack and install this. Happens very quickly. You can see the CMSIS now and the trace and live view, and a number of extensions have been installed. So if we create a solution, see our board, scroll down, we see a CMSIS-Driver pack, select that, and you can see that there's just a blank template. We'll select a blank template and a location. The init git repository also includes a gitignore, so it could be useful if you want to commit later. As we create, we do get asked to activate the ARM environment, and we'll allow for this current workspace, and we can see the different tools now, which are listed here in vcpkg-config. So you can see that OpenCMSIS Pack and CMSIS Toolbox are added to the path of this solution. Okay, and we can see our device here. There is a main, and we should be able to compile. Okay, build succeeded. If I go to a new terminal, go cpackget list, I can see that is installed the following packs, including the driver and the DFP device family pack. So now that that job is done, I can close the folder and create a new solution. We now have a couple of example projects available, including a Blinky and a driver example. We will get onto the Blinky example, but keep in mind that what we've done here only really works for simple solutions. You will need to understand how the CMSIS Toolbox tools work, especially cpackget, in order to get other types of CMSIS packs, such as software or RTOS packs. So have a look at how those are all installed in the next video.